Hi guys, this is Swati and today I'm going to do a review on PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 4.5. The product comes for 795 rupees and you get around 30 ml of the product. This product is available in 22 different shades. Product is available on Nykaa and Amazon, so I bought it from Nykaa. The product that I got is little spilled but works just fine. The outer packaging is made in cardboard material, which is pretty sturdy and has sponge in it, so it really holds up the bottle very well. To secure the spilling of the foundation, there is an additional cap. The foundation comes in a glass bottle and it comes with a pump, so it is really easy to use it and take out the product. So let's talk about the texture. This particular foundation, I find it more creamy than liquid. When I look at the color it's not too orange and not too yellow, and I really like the blendability as well. Now the application part, so I'm going to use this product on the left side with a beauty blender. Let's talk about the company claims. This foundation is made for everyday Indian women who works non-stop, and their HD technology helps blur the imperfections and smoothen out the skin, giving a flawless base. So the foundation is for every skin type and it lasts all day long. It is for medium to buildable coverage and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and it is flashback proof as well. So with the beauty blender or a sponge, the product distributes and blends really well, and it looks very natural. The sponge gives a medium coverage, and now I'm going to use a brush. This is from Real Techniques, and I'm using very less product as I was using with the beauty blender, and as you can see it blends really well. I'm using Studio Fix powder from MAC in the shade NC45. It's exactly like the foundation color, and I'm using it all over my face. So my skin is oily and I feel that it feels a little heavy on my face. I get oily very quickly, and it is not a lightweight formula that I can wear in a hot summer day. It's a dewy foundation and has no fragrance in it. So now to the conclusion, I really like this product, to be honest. I didn't think it would work, but it actually works, and I'll give it 4.8 out of 5 because it matches with my skin tone, which is one of the things that are really important. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe guys, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.